Hello learners, this is Excel with Habeeba. I am back with my inspirational stories which makes impossible things possible. So let's start today's story, that is always keep learning. Once two people of the village decided to earn money by going to the city. After going to the city for a few months, doing small work here and there, both of them deposited some money. Then started their business with that money. The business of both went on. Within 2 years, both of them made a lot of progress. Seeing the business flourishing, the first person thought that now my work is done, now I will go on climbing the stairs of progress. But contrary to his thinking, he suffered huge losses that year due to business ups and downs. Till now, that person flying in the sky fell on the surface of reality. He started looking for the reasons due to which his business could not bear the brunt of the market. First of all, he found out the business status of the other person who started business with him. He was astonished to know that his business is profitable even in this period of ups and downs. He immediately decided to go to him and find out the reason. The very next day, he reached out to another person. The other person treated him with great respect and asked him the reason for his coming. Then the first person said, "Dude, this year my business could not withstand the market hit. I had to suffer a lot. You are also in this business. What have you done so that you have made profits even in these ups and downs?" Hearing this, the other person said, "Brother, I am just learning from my own mistakes as well as from the mistakes of others. I also learn from the problems that come up. Therefore, when such a problem comes up again, I am able to face it well and I do not have to suffer because of it. It is just this tendency to learn which is taking me forward in life." Listening to the second person, the first person realized his mistake. For the sake of success, he was filled with overconfidence and stopped learning. He returned with a vow that he would never stop learning. After that, he never looked back and kept on climbing the stairs of progress. Now, what is the lesson we have learned? Let's see here. Friends, if you want to be successful in life, then keep learning every moment as a school. New changes and new developments keep happening here. If we make the mistake of thinking of ourselves as omniscient, knowing everything, we will fall behind in the race of life. Because the winner in this race is the one who keeps running continuously. Whoever quits running is sure to lose. Therefore, keep the urge to learn in yourself, then no change, no ups and downs can stop you from moving forward. I hope you liked this story. That's why we have to be lifelong learners. If you like the story, please do like, share, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for your attention and time. I'll come up with the next new story in the next video. Until then, happy learning.